Hello everyone, this is Ambus Dixit and my registration number is CS17. Now today what we are going to do is we are going to implement binary search in C++ program. The main concept of binary search is while searching what we are going to do is we are going to divide the array into half and we are going to search the element in that half. So the concept says that each time when we are going to do the search, at each iteration we are going to divide the array into half and we are going to search it um, within that half block. Now the condition comes it comes with the condition that the array should be started before itself. So now I'll show you the code. As you can see that this is the code actually. Now we have been declaring the required variables, and this is the array which we have declared as maximum size 10, and C has been initialized to -1, I, J, M, R is initialized as 0, and F for major conditions. That's it. Now I've declared top over here so that we can use it in the future program. Now C out, enter the number of elements. I'll take the number of elements in the array. I'll input the maximum size of the array. Now condition is if n is greater than 10 or n is smaller than 0, then it won't be having enough space in the array. So it will go back to the top, go to top. That's why we have used the top. Now the next condition says f is equals to n. Now input the data in the sorted array from the user. Now what we are going to do is a sorted array will be taken from the user, and this can be done using a for loop. Now input the element to be searched. Now we'll take the input from the user, which element is to be searched. While now conditions start to apply. Now what we're going to do is while r is less than f, m is equals to f plus r by 2. Here what we are going to do is we are going to find the average and we are going to make and we are going to store it in m. Now if a of m is equals to s, that is the center. If the center is equals to s, the element is found at the location. That means while we are dividing it into two, if the element is in the center, then we are going to get that thing straight away. Now it returns 0, else if s is greater than m, that means the element is not into that half and it's greater than s is greater than m, that r goes to m plus 1, else f is equals to m minus 1. Now when c is not equals to 0, that means element is not found, that returns 0. Now I'm going to show you the output. The output says I have to enter the number of elements. Now I enter the number of elements as 4. Enter in sorted order. Okay. Now enter the element to search. I will search for. The element is found at location 3, which shows that my element counting started with 0. Thank you very much.